In this question, we will determine whether x and y are in direct proportion or inverse proportion. First off, we'll just think that how come or how can they become in direct proportion or inverse proportion? If x and y are in direct proportion, as you hear, as it sounds direct, which means x and y at the same time increase, or x and y at the same time decrease. I'll just show you in different color. Look at this color. X and y at the same time decrease or increase. Look at blue color. When x increases, y will increase. When x decreases, y will decrease. Look at green color. Then we understand that they are in direct proportion. What about inverse proportion? Inverse proportion. If they are in inverse proportion, x and y, look at now red color. When x is increasing, y will decrease. Understand? If they are in inverse proportion. If x and y are in inverse proportion, x will increase, y will decrease, or x will decrease. Look at this color. Or x will decrease, y will increase. So they'll do it vice versa. Then I'm going to tell you the connection between x and y, and we have a connection between x and y. If they are in direct proportion, x over y, or y over x, no problem, will be a constant number. I'll just call it k. X and y will be a fraction, x over y, or y over x, no problem, whatever you write, x over y or y over x, but it will be a constant number. What about if they are in inverse proportion? X and y will be, the connection will be x times y will be a constant number. X times y will be a constant number. Now let's look at the question. X and y, as you can see easily, when x is 1, y is 20. When x is 2, y is 10. When x is 4, y is 5. So x is increasing, y is decreasing. X is increasing, y is decreasing. Can you guess now whether x and y in direct or inverse proportion? Can you guess it? Yes, they are in inverse proportion, because when x is increasing, y is decreasing. Okay, can we find the connection between x and y looking at this table? Yes, we can find it, because you know, if they are in inverse proportion, we know x times y will be a constant number. So the first connection, or the first relation, let me look at it. When x is 1, y is 20, so the connection will be 20. And looking at this table, they are in inverse proportion, because 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 10 is 20, 4 times 5 is 20, 10 times 2 is 20. So they are in inverse proportion.